Renault India has finally pulled the wraps of the HBC concept that will be called the Renault Kiger upon launch. The new Renault Kiger concept previews the upcoming subcompact SUV and will be built on the same platform as the Triber. Renault says that it will also introduce an all-new turbocharged global engine on the sub-4-meter SUV. The new Kiger has been designed and developed by corporate design teams in France and India. The design is reminiscent of the Kwid, but the Kiger gets a wider LED daytime running lights running across the face of the car, while the triple LED headlights are placed on the bumper. There are also elements like the semi-floating roof, sloping rear window, and the tapered mirror, while the C-shaped LED taillights get a signature pattern. Renault says that nearly 80% of the production spec Kiger will be identical to the concept. The Kiger will go on sale in India next year and will be exported overseas as well. The new subcompact SUV will take on the Nissan Magnite, Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, Tata Nexon and the likes. The Maruti Suzuki Ertiga was an instant hit since the arrival of the first generation, and the MPV has now achieved a new milestone with sales crossing 5.5 lakh units. The landmark figure was achieved in 8 years since the first generation went on sale in 2012. Maruti Suzuki says that the MPV has managed to maintain market leadership over the last 2 years in the segment. The automaker sold nearly 4 lakh units of the first generation Ertiga and has sold over 1.5 lakh units of the second generation so far. The new Ertiga is sold with a 1.5 litre petrol engine and is the only MPV in the segment to get a CNG variant. The diesel version was discontinued earlier this year with the transition to BS6 norms. American motorcycle company Indian Motorcycles has officially announced prices for the 2021 model year lineup. The new lineup includes new model iterations with technology upgrades. The Indian Motorcycles range comprises 12 offerings with prices starting at 15,67,000 rupees, going all the way up to 43,96,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom India. These new offerings span across the company's Thunderstroke, Power Plus and Scout lineups. The bikes can be booked at any of the company's dealerships across the country for a token amount of 2 lakh rupees. With respect to upgrades, the Roadmaster lineup now gets Apple CarPlay as standard, while the Roadmaster Limited and Roadmaster Dark Horse models feature Indian Motorcycles' all-new heated and cooled seat with Ride Command integration. The 2021 Indian Scout gets accessories like heated grips, low and mid-wind deflectors, fairing bag and semi-rigid saddlebags. There are a host of new color options available across the range.
That video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.